Yo, what's up guys? Ryan here. So with the response for last week's video where I created content inside of Walmart using nothing more than my GoPro, I'm gonna start doing these every week, and today I am gonna make content creation very easy for you because I want to show you guys that you don't need a lot of interesting things to create dope pictures and dope stuff. So I am currently in my car and we just parked. We are at an open lot. Now, I'm sure where you live there's an open lot. Now, if you follow me, you know I just released a program called Daily Content Cashflow. It's a subscription-based service where I send you an email every day telling you what to post on your Instagram feed, story, and what to write for your caption. Now, today we're gonna focus on the feed, and if you were a Daily Content Cashflow member, you would have gotten this email, but we are gonna focus on creating what I call a hero shot. Now, the reason a hero shot builds authority. It shows confidence. A hero shot is a term that myself and Jason Capital coined. I'm sure you guys know who he is. But we do these to kind of show our audience and show the people that are possibly going to follow us that we're confident. We know our shit. We're not afraid to put ourselves out there, and people are gravitated towards this. They want a leader. So if you're not doing this in your industry and your pictures on your Instagram account, you are losing money. So today we're gonna go create a hero shot in this lot. And again, just so you know, a hero shot is an audacious photo. It's kind of out there. It's something that makes people, like, you should kind of in your own mind say, I'm gonna go take a picture that says fuck you right now. That's what you should be taking a picture of. So I got an open lot, I got some props, and we're gonna go take some hero shots. And of course I'm gonna do it for some different niches. So let's roll. All right, so as you can see behind me, this is the open lot we are going to use and try to create some content. And if you don't have a lot to work with as far as location goes, that's when you introduce props. So depending on the first niche we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a coach or consultant or some sort of person that provides services and does a lot of that from the laptop. So if you're a laptop entrepreneur or want to be laptop entrepreneur, then you should have a laptop in some of your photos. So again, props help you do a lot of stuff. They can kind of add depth to the photo, and it's good branding to include things like a GoPro and a dope laptop. So again, for all these, I'm using a GoPro on a tripod. It's a little mini one. And what I like to do is set it up in widescreen and half-second time-lapse photos so I can take a bunch of photos really quickly of myself. So again, I'm gonna sit in the middle of this parking lot and take some pictures of myself. Another thing, you wanna have the sun either above you or at your face, just so you know. I don't know what I just got. Hopefully it was good. All right, so that was like a seated style pic. Now I'm gonna do one that's standing. So I'm gonna use items around me, and we have this nice barrier. Again, you're trying to say fuck you. Hopefully that was good. All right, so now we move from the lot to the street. And yes, it's an audacious photo because I'm gonna switch the niche right now. I'm gonna do it for fitness. So if you're a fitness coach, you can just go do a push-up in the middle of the street. Just don't get hit by a car. Is there cars coming?
One truck. Probably coming my way.
All right, so that was push-ups in the street. And just so you know, it's like 100 degrees out right now. So the quicker you can do this, the better, because you don't sweat through outfits if you're a bigger guy. I almost forgot, when you can't control the location or you have nothing to work with, not only can you use props, but also your outfit. You can see the outfit that I was wearing today. It's very bold. I got the tall socks, I got the Nikes, like I have the denim shirt. The idea is to create and show your personal style as well. I'm a fashion guy, I love personal style. So showcase that, because that is audacious in itself. Man, it's hot. So, quick tip, like the faster you do these, the better, because I don't know where you live unless it's like cold all the time. You really do, you have to work quickly. So that's the cool thing, one, about using the GoPro for these is you can work really fast. But yeah, that was two different niches based off of what I provide in my daily content cash flow, which is the idea of a hero shot. Now I also provide the story as well. I'm not gonna show that in this video, that's secret. for the Daily Content Cashflow members. But as you can see, you don't need a lot of stuff. You can get creative, and I urge you guys to get creative in what you have. Obviously, I'm working with Savannah here. She's behind the camera, but I don't need Savannah to be here to take pictures with this that are cool and fun and exciting and can really show myself as a brand. But it all comes down to you have to do this every day. And a lot of people struggle with that. That's why I created Daily Content Cashflow, to continually provide you with good ideas and what to go out and get. And then it's up to you to kind of use your creativity to go create dope stuff like this. I did 2 niches today. I did coach, consultant, and I did fitness again. I do have a lot of you guys that, you know, tend to follow me, but you could do this for any niche. It also comes down to what you write in the caption. You can frame it, and you can make it, you know, kind of whatever you want. You can mold the Daily Content Cashflow prompts and emails into whatever it is your niche is. And if you don't have a niche, if you're not even trying to make money on Instagram, all you got to do is start posting every day. Because if you're posting cool pictures like what I took today and what I kind of pride myself on my account on, your account will grow. Eventually you will probably be able to make money from it. And if you're not posting every day, you're going to be forgotten about very quickly. So click the link below. Join Daily Content Cashflow. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you want me to go in any other cool different places. Like, I think of these as a challenge. They're fun to film. I mean, maybe I'll go into a bathroom and do one. I don't know. We can just get some crazy shit. But that's it. Peace.